culture is a people's way of life, defined by habit, geography, religion, history. It is also how a particular people think about themselves, their history, who they are, their indelible identity as conditioned by ethnicity, language, race. All these imperatives are expressed and manifested in their literature, which is the noblest of the arts, their music, dance, architecture, and visual arts. The culture of the Philippines comprises a blend of traditional Filipino and Spanish Catholic traditions with influences from America and other parts of Asia. The Filipinos are family-oriented. Filipinos are also hospitable people who love to have a good time. This often includes getting together to sing, dance, and eat. The only thing that is constant is change. Culture is not static. It is always changing, often slowly, sometimes suddenly. According to Chique Escarialgo and Josiah Go, one of the cultural trends changing how Filipinos behave is communication. Because of the emergence of cheap smartphones, through communication, the continuing shift of advertising from traditional to digital. Sadly, because of this, modern times are threatening to wipe out the things that have made us uniquely Filipino.
Good day, everyone. Our team was tasked to interview different students to test their knowledge about the Philippine culture versus the current news about the Philippines. Which one do you think has their most knowledgeable about? Let's find out.
What is the meaning of the stars in the Philippine flag? Ang ibig sabihin ng tatlong bituin sa ating watawat ay Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
What is the animal at the back of a new 100 peso bill?
Ayon sa pera ko, whale shark ko.
Who is the person in the new 20 peso bill?
Wala, nagastos ko na yung 20 ko.
The person in the new 20 peso bill is Manuel L. Castro.
Who are the people printed in the new 500 peso bill? Biniglo si Menahino and Corazon Aquino.
Si Cory Aquino. Saka si Benigno.
What is the national anthem of the Philippines? Lupang Hinirang.
What is the meaning of color red in the Philippine flag? Color red. Yun yung simbolo ng pagiging matapang nating mga Pilipino. Yung hindi sumusuko sa kahit anumang laban, yun yung mga katangian nating mga Pilipino. Yun yung nire-represent ng color red na sa flag natin.
War.
Did you know how to play patintero? How? May nakaharang tapos kailangan hindi makatakas.
The meaning of the sun rays in the Philippine flag.
Province na nagtanggol daw po sa Philippines.
What is the meaning of color white in the Philippine flag? Para sa akin, peace po.
When is the birthday of Dr. Rosa Rizal?
What is the national costume of the Philippines?
Barat saya.
I think po, barong po. Do you still saying po at opo to elders? Yes, I still say that opo and opo. Sometimes.
Opo. Madalas po.
What is the meaning of KKK? Means asasang kagaling-galingang katipunan.
Are you still doing the pagmamano to the elders? For you, what is the importance of practicing it? Bali sa pagmamano, ginagawa ko po ito sa sa lola ko. Sa magulang ko medyo hindi na. Kasi parang hindi ako masyadong naging ganun ka-open para hindi rin ako sanay na mag-bless sa kanila. Bali, sa mga beso lang. Ganun.
Ayun, nagmamano pa rin ako sa mga tito-tita, sa mga lola or lola. Then, importance, for Filipinos kasi, nagpapakita ng respect.
How many years did the Spaniards colonize the Philippines? Hindi ko alam eh.
I think it's 120. I'm not sure.
Who killed Magellan?
Yung ano, yung mga tawa nila pula.
Lapu-lapu.
What is the meaning of color blue in the Philippine flag? Peace.
Who is the representative of the Philippines for the upcoming Miss Universe 2019? According to myself, I don't know because di po ako nanonood ng TV.
Pwede mo ko na lang. Si Gazini. Gazini Ganado. I believe in her. Kasi, syempre nakapag-training naman na siya ng maayos. Maraming Pilipino yung naniniwala sa kanya na kaya niyang dalhin yung Pilipinas. Yun nga, sabi nga ni Catriona, raise your flag.
Do you know Mimiya?
Nakakita ko lang siya sa Facebook pero hindi ko talaga sure kung sino siya. Pero sabi nila, nagpapatawa daw siya.
Of course! Siya ay vlogger. At ano po, isa siyang model na ngayon. Kung nakita niyo po ang kanyang cover sa isang magazine, ang ganda po niya talaga doon. And I'm so amazed. Sana achieve niyo na. Pero sumigat po talaga siya sa Facebook lang dahil sa Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah. Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah.
What is the full name of our recent president? Emilio ba? Rodrigo Roa Duterte. President Rodrigo Duterte.
President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
How often do you say sana all? Palagi. Always. Sana may jowa, sana mahal.
Every time. Nakakaingit eh. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung ganon. Sana ako din.
Who won in the Idol Philippines 2019? Zephanie De Maranan.
Zephanie.
It's the first P-pop boy band group that takes over the Billboard chart. Boy band PH.
SB19. What mobile games do you usually play? COD po, yung Call of Duty, yung Barilla.
Hindi ako nag-ML eh. Dumb Boys to Die?
Do you know the song Sabiana by Skastakli? Yes, of course. Kala kong mga araw na magkasama tayong dalawa.
Yes. Kapag naaalala ko mga
Who is the boyfriend of Vice Ganda? Ayun.
What do you know about these people? Garcia, Gerald Anderson, and Bea Alonso. Julia Barreto, and Joshua. Mga sila artista. Yung dating magjawa yan.
Pangangaliwa po ba? Tama?
Artist sila ng Star Magic. Tapos may issue sila. Mga nag-aagawan daw sila ng jowa.
What is the highest grossing Filipino film in 2019?
Who's the Filipina actress who recently announced her pregnancy in a TV show? Ann Curtis daw.
What can you say about the SEA Games 2019? Di ba may negative effect naman yun? Kasi ang lumalabas ka din sa balita na yung SEA Games 2019, hindi daw maganda yung naging resulta po. Para sa akin, kahit may negative effect yun, pinapakita rin dun yung kung ano yung dapat improve or lagyan ng ng improvement dun sa mga naging failure ng SEA Games.
Overall, the youths are still aware of the Filipino cultures. However, they are having difficulties in answering some of the questions. More of them are more aware of the current events. And what the good thing is, even though they're having difficult times in answering the questions, the Filipino values are visible in them, such as being approachable. Even though we're strangers, we're not aware of each other. And also, they kept on smiling while being interviewed and they put humor in their answers. And as a whole, in our group, we observed also some of the Filipino values such as the bayanihan on how each of us put hard work, patience, and effort in order to fulfill the tasks that were given to us. Also, we put some diskarte in Filipino or different strategies in order to have interviewees to be interviewed. All in all, culture might be changing rapidly,
but some of the Filipino values will be difficult to change because it is engraved already in us.